In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CSV file with Contacts ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through the entire process of exporting your contacts from ActiveCampaign into a CSV file, step by step. This is really useful if you want to back up your data, move contacts into another tool, or do some spreadsheet analysis in software like Excel or Google Sheets. First, make sure you're logged into your ActiveCampaign account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This will open up your full contacts page, where you can see everyone in your list along with their details. At the top right of this contacts page, look for the ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 dots. This is where ActiveCampaign hides some of the extra actions. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Export. This tells ActiveCampaign that you want to create a file containing your contact data. A window will pop up asking for an export name. Type in a simple, clear name for this export like All Contacts January or Newsletter List Export. Avoid using special characters such as slashes, symbols, or emojis. Keeping it to letters, numbers, spaces, and maybe dashes helps prevent any issues when you download or open the file later. Next, you'll see a list of fields you can include in the export. These might be things like first name, last name, email address, phone number, tags, and any custom fields you've added. Use the checkboxes to select the data you actually need. If you're not sure, it's usually safe to include basic contact details like name and email, and then add other fields if you know you'll use them in your spreadsheet. Once you've chosen your fields, scroll down in that same window and click the Export button at the bottom. ActiveCampaign will now start processing your file. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. When the export has finished processing, go back to the Contacts section in the left sidebar, and this time click on Exports. Here you'll see a list of all the exports you've generated. Find the one you just created, then look over to the Actions column on the right and click Download. Your CSV file will download to your computer, ready to open, share, or import into another tool.